Kinky Kids Hair Care, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this cute protective updo style. So I'm going to be starting off with stretched out moisturized hair. I have a video showing you how to stretch out your daughter's hair without using heat, and I will link that in the video description as well as in the video. So I'm going to be making a part going from ear to ear, and this part is actually going to start right in front of her ear, going all the way to the other end. Just make sure it's nice and straight. I'm using a rat tail comb to do that. It makes it a lot easier. So once you have that nice straight part, I'm just going to take the front section and clip it out the way with a butterfly clamp, and I'm going to work on the back section. So I'm going to be using this new product. It's called the As I Am Smoothing Gel, and I absolutely love this gel so far. It doesn't leave any flakes in my daughter's hair, it doesn't dry her hair out, and it's very moisturizing. Her hair is never dried out from this product, and it does have a really good hold to it. So I'm going to be using this in her hair to smooth her hair up so that her bun is very nice and sleek. So I'm just going to be applying it to her edges, and then I'm going to take my boar bristle brush and smooth everything up just so we can get that very nice sleek look. And once everything is nice and smooth, I'm going to take a hair elastic and pin her hair into a temporary bun. So now I'm going to start working on the front section. I'm going to actually take the rat tail comb and make a part, and I'm using the arch of her eyebrow as my guide. You're going to actually make this part on both sides of the head, but I'm just going to be showing you how to do one section of this in the video. So basically everything I do on this side, you're just going to repeat the same steps on the other side of her head. So once you have that part, just split that section into two sections. And clip one of the sections out the way. And I'm going to apply some type of cream to her ends. You can apply any type of cream to her ends. I like using the Camille Rose Mandarin Kids Curl Pudding. And I'm also going to use some of the As I Am gel on her edges. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to actually have her turn towards me, and I'm going to cornrow this section of hair starting from the back and going towards the front of her face. So you're going to do this on both sections, and then you're going to repeat the same steps on the other side, and this is how it should look once you're done. Okay, so let's start on the middle section. I'm going to be pitting a cornrow from the front to the back. So again, I'm going to be applying some more of that curl cream by Camille Rose to her ends, just to add a little bit more moisture and shine to her hair. And then I'm going to be using some more of the As I Am gel to her edges, and I'm going to smooth all that down with the boar bristle brush. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just part off a small section in the front so I can start her cornrow. Right here, I'm just cornrolling her hair from front to back. Okay, so this is how the cornrow turned out. So I'm just going to take this. I didn't finish braiding it all the way to the end because you really don't need to braid it all the way to the end as long as it's just braided up to a certain point. So I'm just going to clip that section out of the way, and then I'm going to take that temporary bun out so I can incorporate that braid into the rest of her hair. And I'm just going to put the hair elastic back into her hair and secure all of that so I can create her bun. Okay, so now right here I'm just splitting her hair into 2 sections, and I'm just trying to make sure that both sections is very even. And I also applied some of the Camille Rose Curls Pudding to her hair, and I'm making a chunky twist. I actually didn't like the way it looked at first because I needed to detangle her hair a bit so it could be really nice and neat. So just be sure to detangle their hair when you do their chunky twist so it can have a very nice, neat, sleek look. And once I did that, I just took the twist, wrapped it around the base of her ponytail, and secured it with a bobby pin. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other section. I'm going to make a twist and wrap it around in the same way that I wrapped the other one around, and secure it with a bobby pin to create a bun. And then I'm going to take my boar bristle brush and smooth up any flyaways that may have got disturbed from creating her bun. And then I'm going to make any adjustments to her buns just so it can look nice and neat. I noticed she had a few flyaways in there, so I just took a hairpin and used it to get everything nice and neat and put in place. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to be putting some beads in her hair and those cornrows that we did in the front. I have a video tutorial showing you how to quickly and easily put beads in the hair using thread, so I will also link that in the video. And this is how her hair turned out. So now I really like this hairstyle. This hairstyle is perfect for any occasion actually. It's perfect for school, going out to eat, which is actually what we're going to be doing. You can embellish the hairstyle like I'm doing here with a bow, or you can leave the bow off. I just thought that was cute because it matched her hairstyle. her outfit. So this hairstyle is perfect for any occasion. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, I appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to making more videos. Bye.